Mama moving wild. He's a baby. Come on, get the baby, mama. I don't know where your nest is. I would surely help, but I can't seem to find your nest. So the bird did lead me to our nest. It's right up in this mango tree. Me go up there, go put back that baby bird, yeah. Alright, people. So I'm finding nest. I know this is hard to believe. And me would have probably find it hard to believe. But this is real, people. I'm finding nest. So the nest kind of seems destroyed. And that is why he fell out. That is definitely why he fell out. So I'm going to try to fix it a bit and put him back inside. And hopefully mama can feed him a few more days until he gets stronger. Alright, so it's kind of hard. But I want to show when I get him back down in the nest. You see him? See him? So I try to show when I get him back in. Right in the nest. He's gone in the back. Ah! All the blackbird, the blackbird then come up. Hey, leave her. Hey. Oh wait, look like I wrong nest. Wrong nest. Wanna move? Sorry, wrong nest. Right, wrong nest. Wrong nest. Come. Ah. Wrong nest, people. The blackbird them might get mad up in the tree. Wrong nest to blow. Sorry, little birdie. Sorry. Wrong nest.